Good morning, guys. Today I am going to do my favorite breakfast recipe. I know I did this before, but I kind of want to get good at the recipes also. So I'm gonna go do menemen again, and well, we're gonna have it. So first we do some. We do start with chopping some tomatoes. Okay, this has a little bit of black spot here. We remove the black spots. Oh, what the fuck? Thought I saw something. Okay, I'm gonna quickly wash the tomato. Oh boy. I'm a little bit preoccupied, I think, because it's just I woke up, that's why. Normally I would wash it like beforehand. Yeah. I think I'm gonna do like 1.5 tomato. I think that would be enough. Okay. I think I'm gonna do one more tomato. I think, yeah, that should be enough. Okay, these tomatoes aren't that big, so I think, yeah, two more tomatoes will do it. It's been some time since I last ate it. I think it's been like 3 weeks or so, shit like that. It's gonna be good. Okay, we should have enough. Now I'm gonna put some sunflower oil in the pan. Just to wet the basil. I'm making sure like it spreads equally. Now I'm gonna heat it up. And I need like a little bit of salt. After it heats up. Like you can like add more to this recipe. It doesn't just have to be onions. It could be like sausage, or it could be like green pepper. The ingredients, like the extra ingredients, is just left up to you. Okay, now it is heating up. I'm gonna put the tomatoes in it. I need to find the spoon. Now we are gonna cook the tomatoes until they get softer. And while this is happening, I'm gonna put like 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so. The difficult part is coming soon. We have to break some eggs. Let me show you guys. It is beautiful. Oh. Well, I'm gonna just keep poking to make sure the tomatoes are like very soft. And it needs to cook a little bit more. Oh boy! Yeah, a little bit more. Look, I'm just cooking the tomatoes and it smells really good. I think it's almost done. I could actually try one with sausage one day. Yeah. Like maybe put the sausage. Oh, maybe I might have to do the sausage like pre-hand because like they are taking longer time to cook. So yeah, I'll need to ask the master chef about it. But as you guys may have noticed from the noise, my noise, I'm a little bit better. So I'm gonna reduce the heat a little bit and now we break the eggs in it, the most dangerous part. Monkas. Bro, what the fuck? How am I supposed to break the eggs like a pro? Without like dropping any shells in it. Look at the holy crap. Oh. Wait, so you're saying you don't believe me? Okay, I get it. Look, there is no shells. Look, no shells. You guys see it for yourself, no shells. So I'm gonna make sure to move eggs around. Oh, very beautiful, very beautiful. I think I can maybe increase the heat a little bit. Oh, this is like a, I don't know. This is like amazing. I am going to actually put some extra cheese on top. Why not? Just like a couple of cheese. Actually, I'm gonna have some cheese as well. Yeah, let's make it a decent morning, shall we? I'm on a highway to home. This one, putting some cheese. Beautiful, beautiful. And still cutting a little bit, but it's nothing serious. Okay. I think this is enough. Man, cheese is fucking like cheese in Turkey is literally the same price as gold. So you don't wanna eat it. Yes, bad man. We are like the poor kitchen. Oh, oh. You guys are gonna be dance. Look, look. Oh, oh, oh. This is like, I don't know. Orgasm. Yes, yes. Okay, I'm gonna reduce the heat to the lowest amount and like let it cook. Perfecto, perfecto. Oh boy, it is hot today. Should reduce the heat in the house as well. Yeah. Today we need to wipe the floor to clean the floor, I think. I think it's good. Yeah, it's good, it's good. Now I am going to enjoy my food. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next video.